All right, I'm super excited because this week I have 3 different batches, total experiments to do in the freeze dryer, and I'm so excited because I want to see how they turn out. Now, I've seen other people freeze dry marshmallows. That's what we're gonna do today. So when I was at the store the other day, I was happened to be in the marshmallow aisle over by that stuff, and I'm always looking for new ideas and new things that I think would be fun to try and just see how they freeze dry. So I've seen other people do marshmallows. From what I've heard, they kind of end up being like the Lucky Charms cereal marshmallows, right? They just kind of end up being hard, but like crunchy, dense that way. So I thought it'd be fun to just try it. Now, I don't think they expand a whole lot. I think they just stay the same size but get dense. So I did pack them kind of close. We'll see how that goes. But let me show you. Now, the stores have some fun novelties. I'm gonna have to try this as like different holidays come around. They always have fun new kinds of marshmallows. And so I might end up just doing these for a fun holiday thing. These are rainbow marshmallows, so you can see there, they're just rainbow colored. They have yellow, pink, and blue. And, and there is white too. So I did space these out pretty good. These were the first tray that I did. And these I had never seen before. I love the way they smell. These are Swedish Fish Swedish Fish marshmallows. Swedish Fish marshmallows. Swedish Fish. Say that 3 times. Anyhow, they smell just like Swedish Fish. Now, I didn't try it. I'm not a big marshmallow fan, but I do like Swedish Fish. They used to be like my favorite treat. But it smells just like Swedish Fish. Now, I am a little curious because it's almost like it's just a marshmallow with the Swedish Fish sugary flavored coating. So I'm kind of like a Peep is what it reminds me of a little bit. So I'm curious how that's going to affect the freeze drying process. This next one is pretty packed because they're all little. So half of it is these ones. They're cinnamon twist. I never really buy this stuff, so I had no idea that these even existed. But this other one is popcorn marshmallows. Now, these ones smell way good because I love popcorn. And as I was putting them on the tray, they smelled so good, and I was like, oh, I totally want to go buy some of these and make Rice Krispies. Popcorn marshmallow Rice Krispies. Oh my gosh, that would just be amazing. I'm so gonna do it. So stay tuned, watch the blog, I'm gonna do it. Anyhow, so cinnamon and popcorn. Oops, let me spread those back out a bit. Then this one, half of this is Sour Patch Kids watermelons, sour watermelons. And again, it's kind of, this one has the color, but it's got a little bit of a crust to it and like a sugary outer part. So we'll see how that does. And then this half is part of the bag of, they're just like rainbow twists. Again, some of these, there's little ones. There's this kind, like a churro kind of looking thing. There's big rainbow ones. And anyhow. So that is the other half of that one. And this last tray is all those rainbow ones. So it was a big bag of just the rainbow variety. So, and these are pretty close together. So we'll see how they freeze dry. Being that they're not pre-frozen, any of them, because I don't have freezer room right now. So cross your fingers for me, hold your breath, make a wish, say a prayer, whatever you have to do. Let's hope that doesn't make them kabooey and make a big mess. So I'm gonna say, not frozen. The drain valve is closed. And here we go. We'll see how they do. There's not really a lot of moisture in them, so I don't think they'll take too long, but we'll see. I've got my next 2 experimental batches all lined up. Actually, that's partially true. I got them ready. I know what I'm doing, but I got to make freezer room and get them in pre-frozen because those need to be pre-frozen. I better work on that. All right, so this actually only did 10 hours, like about 10 hours and 46 minutes. I'm probably gonna have to, I think I'm gonna do it on more try to kind of help warm the trays up because it would have stopped in the middle of the night. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do more dry for like 30 minutes, and that'll make it so the trays aren't super cold and it's not gonna hurt anything. All right, here we go. Final dry, everything completed. Look at those. Let's green are. We'll get the pressure released. I can't believe that, like 10 hours. That was super fast. That's kind of nice. I mean, I guess that makes sense because the marshmallows don't have a lot of moisture in them. So let's see how he did. Yeah, they didn't blow up a ton. Interesting. Okay. I mean, they're dry. Okay, these puffed up a little bit. The Swedish Fish ones. Let's see these. Yeah, they didn't. So they did. I mean, they puffed up a little, but not a ton. The watermelons. Nice. Nice. All right, we're gonna take them in the house, try them, and bag them up. All right, we are gonna taste test. Brady, are you gonna come help us taste test? Okay. Just Addie and Bella, we have our little taste testers here. So let's try. This is the popcorn. So that's funny. Oh, all of them are like that. So 4 little white spots and 1 yellow one.
3.
All right, try a popcorn flavored one. See what you think. I might try one of these. They're kind of like Lucky Charms marshmallows. I get why people say that. But these, that's like an airy popcorn. Can you taste? Does it taste like popcorn? Or just kind of tastes like a marshmallow to me.
It does taste like popcorn. It kind of changed the flavors.
It did?
Oh.
I
think it kind of did.
A little bit? Okay. Here's the sour watermelon. See what you think.
I love sour.
Sour Patch watermelon.
It's still sour.
It's still sour?
Yeah, it's still sour.
Little bit?
It's sour, but like marshmallowy, but it doesn't taste like marshmallow. Yeah, it's crunchy. Yeah. It's all just like a tiny bit of sour.
Woo!
Yeah, it's still sour.
It's still sour. Woo! All right. I'm going to try Swedish Fish.
Ooh.
There's more. Swedish Fish.
This looks weird.
Yeah, it looks like it's just a Swedish Fish
Marshmallow.
sugar on top of a regular marshmallow. Does it taste like a Swedish Fish? You like it?
Yeah, it tastes
like
a
Is that hollow in the middle? Is yours hollow in the middle? Take a big bite in the middle. Look at Addie's. Hers is completely hollow. Is yours hollow?
What does hollow mean?
It means like there's a hole in the middle. No, yours is solid. That's funny. Yours must have had an air bubble in it.
Try it.
No, I'm good. Okay, so then we have these rainbow ones. We probably don't need to try all of them. Pick a, oh wait, first a cinnamon. Here's a cinnamon one. See if you taste the cinnamon.
Cool. Yeah, that's a strong cinnamon.
It's strong cinnamon?
Here, taste it. It'll come to you.
Yeah, that was good. You know what? That would probably be really good in hot chocolate because some people like cinnamon in their hot chocolate. Put a couple of these in your hot chocolate. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try one of the rainbow ones? Twisty, you want a circle?
I'll choose a circle.
Or there's the little ones.
Oh crap.
Is it chewy?
You can't bite it.
Oh, maybe it didn't.
I could bite mine.
Oh no. Try taking another bite from this side.
I want to try one of these and see.
It
still can't. Could I try one of these and
Really?
see? This one you could bite.
Yeah, try that one. See if you can bite into it. Oh, there. Yeah.
I'm biting to mine.
Interesting. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. So what do you think?
It's good. For For my favorites is probably the Swedish Fish and the sour watermelon.
The watermelon. What are your
Same.
favorites? Same ones? Swedish Fish and sour watermelons?
Mm-hmm.
Well, there you have it. They're all pretty good though. Kind of a fun little, but they're very much just like the texture of Lucky Charms marshmallows. I wonder if that's how the Lucky Charm marshmallows are made. Cause they're like very dense like that. Okay, thanks girls.